What's going on, people? This is Thurston here. Today I'm going to have a little fun with magnification. Today we are at the Putnam Museum in Davenport, Iowa, and today we're going to have some fun with dollar bills. So, this is your $10 bill. This is normal. This is not, edited or anything. It's your simple $10 bill. But what if I told you about something called microprinting? Microprinting is basically a bunch of little letters but are completely invisible to the naked eye, but we can see using my beautiful magnifier right over here. So, let's have some fun. Alright, station this right. Okay, there we go. Alright, let's have some fun. So first I'm gonna zoom in right here, and I'm gonna kick up the focus. And if you look closely, you can see some words right there that you would normally not be able to see from the naked eye, but you can see right there. Alright, I'm going to show you another piece of microprinting. So if you look down here, it says the United States of America, $10, USA, the United States of America, $10, and it says that repeatedly. Alright, here's our next little microprinting sign here. If you go down here, you see some, this isn't really microprinting, but like, you see some it looks like glitter. I don't know why they put that in there. Nothing there. I thought I saw something. Alright. Now basically it continues on over here and you can see a bunch of 10s here. The back is fun. So if you zoom in here, you're going to notice that, okay, I'm going to go up here by the "In God We Trust" thing here. If you look closely, you can see that there's a bunch of tiny little lines here. If we zoom out, you can't see them, but if you zoom in, we can see them. If you zoom in here, you'll notice a series of tiny grids here that you would normally not be able to see with the naked eye. As you can see, there's a lot of precision here. Oh, and there's a little cut right there. But yeah, normally we would not be able to see this with the naked eye. This would be, in a way, invisible. So, alright, so next we're going to move on to the $5 bill. This one is pretty fun. So here's the $5 bill. This one has less secrets and more stuff. So first over here, I'm going to zoom in here. As you can see, here's the $5 bill. I'm going to zoom in like here. I'm going to go over here and we're going to kick up the contrast. Not contrast, but you know what I'm saying? $5. Now that you would normally not be able to see with the naked eye. It would be very hard to see. If you zoom out, you can't see it. Bam. 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 I'm having a little bit of fun with this right now. So, yeah, it simply just says $5. So, the next piece over here is on the state symbol. If you look in closely, you can see the words E pluribus. Now, I don't know what that means because I don't know how to read Latin. Over here by Lincoln, you can see a bunch of tiny little symbols here that you would normally not be able to see with the naked eye. And a little secret signature. Nah, I'm just kidding. You could obviously see that with the naked eye. And by the 5 here, it still says $5 over there. On the back, if you zoom in over here, so like, let me just focus like this. If you zoom in right here, kick this up, you can see the names of U.S. states: Arkansas, Michigan, Florida, Texas, Iowa, Wisconsin, California, Minnesota, Oregon, Kansas, West Virginia, Nevada, Nebraska, Colorado, North Dakota, where is it? Okay, Delaware, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Georgia, Connecticut, Massachusetts, Maryland, Carolina, New Hampshire, we're not called New Hampshire, we used to be called Hampshire, Virginia, and New York. So there's some more microprinting. Down here, you can see the Lincoln throne, which you can obviously see with the naked eye, but it's a little hard to see. Down here, let me just kick this contrast up a little bit. No, not contrast, but you know what I'm saying. You don't really see anything there. I'm gonna go back to the, I'm gonna go back to the front here. I'm actually gonna go back to the back, whatever. And if you see here, you can see a bunch of tiny diamonds down there on the 5 that you would normally not be able to see, as you heard me, right, with the naked eye. Then of course there's USA 5, USA 5. That is also impossible to see if you just stare at it. You need like a microscope in order to see some of this stuff. But I have my own right here, thanks to micro eye discovery. Now, this is Lincoln Memorial, which we can obviously all see. And along here, you can see some like grids there. Looks like a giant little thing there. Thought I saw something in the bushes, but I didn't. I saw something there, but I didn't. But yeah, over here there's the $5 Easter egg, and then over here there's like a. I'm trying to find it. It says Series 2013, and if you look closely, you'll see some cracks here, which I just discovered. This is on the dollar bill that I'm using. On the serial number, if you just kind of kick up this here, it's a different little thing. If you go down here, it's the same thing. And of course, there's the mystery of B3. I'll try to find it. And also over here. Oh yeah, there's one over here which I'm trying to find. Maybe that was on the $10 bill, but that's okay. Oh yeah, no, that was on the $10 bill. We already checked the $1 bill. However, there was not any microprinting on that one. So that was cool. Dad, do you have any other on you? Okay.
There must be some.
Okay, let me zoom out here, and here's the $1 bill. The most. Oh no, I didn't. I thought I saw something. I didn't. Here's the $1 bill, and I'm gonna give it another check. Make sure. On the Great Seal, there's bound to be some stuff because this is probably one of the most detailed bills. And here's proof, Illuminati confirmed. There's these cool symbols right here. Now these are not easy to find, but you can see these. If you look very closely, you can see some symbols, like some, you know, shiny liquid down there, but it's very hard to see, obviously. Well, my guess is that there's more of this microprinting on here, only like you need to use like a microscope in order to see it. So this is as far as I can see. There isn't anything really. Did I see? Let me kick up the focus a little bit. But yeah, I'm surprised that there isn't any. I mean, I would so bring in my $2 bill, but those are like you know, super rare. I would never do that. Yeah, there is nothing on here. But yeah, I'm surprised there's nothing on here. Dad, do you have any other on you? Okay. So yeah.